guys, I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm coming to you with a few pieces from COS, a few pieces that I want to show you, and a few pieces that I don't have but I want to mention them because I know you will love them. Let us start with the dress I have on. Long story short, I absolutely love this dress. Such a good one. I think one of the best pieces from this haul, and you know the best part is I didn't intend to keep this dress. I just got it because I get many questions about the dress I showed you in my last video, I think, which is from And Other Stories, a very old dress that they don't have anymore, and I have given you this dress as an alternative in my description box. So I thought I'd try this dress and see if this dress is really good. You know, I do that very often. My alternatives, you know, I give you in the description box are very often pieces that I have tried or I have heard really good things about them. So I thought I'd get this dress and see if this is any good. And I can tell you, this dress is even better than the dress from And Other Stories. And you know why? Because it's got pockets. And I mean, the style, the top, so good, such a good find, and I have to thank you for it, because if it were not for you, I would not have gotten this dress because I have something similar, right? But I got it to see if my recommendation is good enough for you, and hell it is. I will keep this dress. Love the color. This color, I mean, this color is so good. It's navy, but it also comes in white, but navy wins for me, hands down. The best, one of the best colors ever, right? And you know what? This dress looks amazing with the bag. Should I? I can't keep it from you. Let me just get the bag. I know. Don't say anything. I know what you're thinking, but I just cannot. I have still a few days left with this bag, and I am seriously thinking of keeping it, and I think I will keep it. It is just such a beautiful bag. It's so unique, and it changes its look so easily, you know, and I just love it. I love it too much. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a video on this bag where I talk about many disadvantages of this bag. I will link that video here. And you know, sometimes it is very important to know what you are buying into and to make informed decisions. So I'm not in denial. I know that this bag has got some big disadvantages when it comes to using it as an everyday bag. But I am aware of that, and I think this bag is a beautiful occasional bag, you know. So not every bag has got to be an everyday bag, right? And I have also here my Loewe. Oh, we are not doing this, right? We are not doing a comparison. But the Loewe bag, the puzzle bag, I love this bag. But how serious does this bag look next to this bag, right? You know what I mean? This bag is beautiful, great bag for every day, but this bag is such a great bag for having fun, you know, with your collection. If you have a bigger collection, I don't have a huge collection, but I think my collection is there. I can allow myself to have a fun piece. This bag with these sunglasses, I have recommended these sunglasses before, and you guys were so fast and got these. Many of you actually contacted me and said that you love these sunglasses. So it took me a little bit, but at the end I got them and I love them so much. This is a vibe, right? People, this is a vibe. And look at this. How good. I mean, I just love it look like this, you know. And then pockets. This is size 36. By the way, everything will be linked down below, and all the sizes will also be down below for you, just in case you are wondering. I think 38 would be even more voluminous, and this is just a personal preference. I think I would prefer this dress a size bigger on myself. It's just such a flattering and beautiful, elegant, a bit of sexiness, but again elegant, a very wearable cut-out dress. Great for so many occasions. If you know me, you know that I am always about those pieces that I can wear for multiple occasions, right? Let us move on and talk about this swimming suit. This swimming suit, I thought, oh, this was made for me and for people who have given birth and their body doesn't look the same anymore. So I think this is such a flattering swimming suit, not only because of the pattern and the color combo, but also it is seamless. I mean, you see a little bit of seam here, but you can see the quality, definitely. And it is very beautiful. Of course, I'm not gonna show this one, you know, but trust me, it is very beautiful. And you can also see it on the model. I will, of course, also link this one down below. And as for sizing, I went for size 38. Maybe I should have gone for 36, but I really like how it fits and how it makes me feel, because this is the most important thing when it comes to swimming wear, I think. Anyway, and by the way, this one also would look absolutely amazing as a top, you know, a black maxi skirt or even a black, you know, wrap over your hips, and then a pair of, you know, flip-flops or sandals, black sandals or brown sandals, and a big hat maybe, or a small hat. Actually, COS does have a very beautiful hat as well at the moment. I'm not sure if it is available. I saw it in tan, but I'm not sure. I would prefer it in black, I think. I will check that out after this video, of course. But it is also would look beautiful with a head scarf. Anyway, I think this is a very good purchase. Maybe we should also talk about this bag, which is, I tell you right away, for me, big letdown, because this bag retails for over, I think, 70 euro or something. Let me just check. Yeah, now 70 euro, 69 something euro. So this bag is not cheap. It is made out of, I think, paper. This is leather. The design, I think, is a good one. You have this bag inside. You can't, I think, detach this bag. Can't you? This would be such a genius thing if you could detach this bag. No, you can't. You can't. Definitely, you can't. You cannot. But the quality of it is not selling it to me. The quality is just, you know, it looks cheap. So COS, yeah, didn't do well with this bag, I would say. You see, also maybe I received faulty one, I'm not sure. So you can see imperfections everywhere. I ordered this bag because I was hoping this bag could fill the gap for the dragging diffusion bag that I have in mind, but it can't. It cannot fill the gap, and it's going back. And I will link the bag that I have in mind instead of this one down below for you as well. That one is, as I mentioned before, from Dragging Diffusion, and I really hope that one is a good one. So let us move on. But I have to admit, COS is killing it at the moment. I also found a pair of trousers which looks very identical to this one by the Frankie shop. Now, I know that many of my viewers have bought these trousers because of my recommendations and they love it. They love them. But the trouble with this one is it is sold out almost everywhere. But I saw that COS does a very similar pair, which I will link down below for you as well. And also, they also, because every time I wear these trousers, also from COS, I get many questions about them. They are, as I mentioned before, from COS, and I saw that COS has brought something very similar back. So then we have these two tops. Now, with this one, to be honest with you, I'm not sure if I did right with the sizing. Again, the sizings are so difficult to get right? The reason why I thought S is the right sizing is because I have got this one in beige in S and it fits perfectly. So I thought this in S would work, right? But it is very snug and I would like to have more, room for movement. This one is very similar to the knit top I have from Totem, and I thought this one is a really great alternative for the warmer months. So then with this one, as I mentioned before, I have this one in beige. Because of its shade, of course, it lands into the washing all the time. Every time I need that top, it is in the washing. So I thought I get it in black as well. I think this one has got a very nice fabric and it's actually quite thick and nice cut and style, very flattering, and I thought this is actually really good value for money as well. Yes. Oh my gosh! Almost forgot this one. I have a beauty break for you here. I have never received anything from the beauty section from Gucci, and it came beautifully packed, so I thought I have to share this one with you as well. I got myself a mascara. Now with this mascara I have it on, I'm not impressed, to be honest with you. It's a good one, but there are cheaper mascaras that do the same thing. But I thought I share this still with you because the packaging was so cute. It came in this dust bag like so, and with this small little bag. So very, very beautifully packed, and I had to share this one with you. Random, right? But I also have to add that I tried that mascara only once. So maybe, you know how it is with mascaras, first application is not so great, but then it gets better. So I hope that is the case for that mascara. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and also make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I would really appreciate it a lot. And I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.